Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from binomial distribution. A random variable x follows binomial distribution with mean 2 and e of x square equals to 28 by 5. This e of x square means expectation of x square. Expectation of x square is equals to 28 by 5. Find probability x not equals to 0. Now the solution. X is a random variable, follows binomial distribution. Is a random variable, follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. Now what is n? N is number of occurrence of trial. Number of occurrence of trial, and p is probability of success, where p lies between 0 and 1. Now q is probability of failure. Q plus p is equals to 1. Therefore q is also a positive fraction. Now the mean of the binomial distribution, mean of binomial distribution equals to np equals to e of x, that is expectation of x equals to np equals to 2. It is given. Now variance of binomial distribution, variance vx equals to npq, which is equals to e of x square minus e of x whole square. The formula for variance of binomial distribution is npq equals to e of x square minus e of x whole square. Now e of x square is given as 28 by 5 and e of x square is 2 squared. This is where x equals to 28 by 5 minus 4. This is 28 minus 20 by 5. This is 8 by 5. Now where of x equals to 28 by 5. Now npq is 8 by 5 and np is 2. We divide this thing npq by np equals to 8 by 5 by 2, or q equals to np get cancelled. Q equals to 8 by 5 into half, that is 4 by 5. Therefore p equals to 1 by 5. Now np equals to 2. We put the value of p 1 by 5 equals to 2. Therefore n equals to 10. P equals to 1 by 5, n equals to 10 and q equals to 4 by 5. These are the parameters of the binomial distribution. Now I write the PMF of binomial distribution, where x is a random variable, follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. The PMF is probability mass function of binomial distribution f of x equals to, first I write in general ncx p to the power x q to the power n minus x, where x is 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 up to n. and this is 0 elsewhere. Here we have to find probability x is not equals to 0. That means 1 minus probability x equals to 0. Now we know the value of n, p, q. We put the value and in place of x I am writing 0. That is 1 minus n is 10c0 p to the power x, that is 1 by 5 to the power 0, q to the power n minus x, that is 4 by 5 to the power 10 minus 0. This is 1, 10c0 is 1, 1 by 5 to the power 0 is 1, this is 4 by 5 whole to the power 10. This is the answer of this question. That is, probability x is not equals to 0 is 1 minus 4 by 5 to the power 10. We can simplify it further with the help of calculator, but if we leave here, then we also get the full marks. And this is the answer. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.